11+ preparation doesn't need to be overwhelming. At Scholars Tutorial, we make it structured, focused, and results-driven. We support students with complete coverage of all 4 subjects across all major exam boards, including GL, CEM, and ICB. With over 500+ expertly designed test papers, students can practice full-length assessments or sharpen skills with topic-specific tests. Explore more than 30,000 practice questions, built to reinforce learning and improve accuracy across key topics. Timed online tests help students build stamina and confidence under exam-style conditions from the comfort of home. Detailed feedback and performance analytics show exactly where your child excels and where they can improve. Whether you're just starting or refining your final prep, our platform gives every learner the structure and feedback they need. Start now with 2 free practice tests and unlock a smarter way to prepare for the 11+.